Hi, Sarah here. I have a haul video today. These are all from Sugar and Sloth. I won't be opening this one. This is the 12 Days of Christmas Advent box, which I pre-ordered. I will leave links below for where you can buy all these goodies from. It's a stationery and pin subscription box company run by Anita in the UK. So first off, I did get the Advent box, but as I say, there'll be a different video on that because I won't be opening it till December. But I also have all these, which I will open and show you what is inside, but the video will not go up until the end of the month or as soon as I see the boxes have been released, so there's no spoilers for anyone that's waiting for them who's not in the UK and the rest of the world. So I will start off with the boxes underneath. These ones are already released ones. So as always, I will just tip out the goodies from inside the tissue and move everything to one side. So this kit is the Tiny Detective Agency kit, and I'll just zoom in a little bit. There we go. And it came with this flyer, which has got some information about the Tiny Pie Club on the back. It comes with this super cute detective duck. Always quacks the case. And that is a postcard. There is these lovely post-it notes here. A fair chunk of those there. There is a pin badge. A sticker. A magnet. This is adorable. It says serial killer. And finally, this will be the pin badge. Which is so adorable. It's got a tiny little duck and a bunny and says Super Sleuth. So that is the Tiny Detective Agency box. This one is Festival of Cute, and then on the back it has all the information again about the club. Again, we have a postcard. I love the snacks on the top. Again, it's got a cute little design on the back as well. There's this cute wristband, which has a little pull on it there, like that, which is adorable. I'll just hold it up so you can see the design. And then it says, you've got this. There's also a pin badge which says Karmadillo. And we have some eco glitter, and it's got some information of how to apply it on the back. So this is another company that she's must have collabed with. These two are older boxes, so if they are still available, I will link them below. This is our badge, which is so adorable, and it is a tiny tequila worm. So cute. So that is the Festival of Cute box. Next we have this. You could buy a bundle of badges. So I've got Nope, I Hate You, Love Yourself You Stupid Bitch, and Too Fab For Your Shit. Yay. I'll probably have to put a little bit of a contains swear words in my video this time, maybe, because I don't think I swear in general in my videos. In real life, however. And then also I got this adorable little kitty cat. She's Luna Moon, which is best friend. So these ones came in a little bundle, and then this one was separate. So next we have this little information flyer with this gorgeous design on it. I think you can get that as a postcard as well, which I might have to get. I got this because I thought it was hilarious. This sticker here. And this one. And, oh, I didn't even realise. Oh well, I use a lot of stationery, it's all good. I also picked up another one of these as a separate item that wasn't in a box. Because some of the items you can buy separately, like I think the pin badges, once they're no longer in the box, you can still get bits from the box, if that makes sense. I hope so. So, I also got this little freebie, a freebie froggy. And this little freebie here. I love that little sticker. I don't want to rip that, so I'm going to work around it somehow. So every order just before Halloween came with one of these, which is a surprise trick or treat. It's a little castle with a little ghost. How cute is that? It looks a little bit like the My Little Pony castle I had when I was little, back in the 80s. Yes, I'm that old. Okay, finally we have this one, which is the Tiny Party Club After Dark. So I believe every now and then she releases a box that's got swears in it. The ones that are the normal Tiny Party Club don't ever have swears in them, whereas these ones do. So you could subscribe to the other ones and not have swear words in them, but these ones are separate. So you'd order one of these separately. And this is a deluxe one, so it comes with more bits. It comes in this cool black box as well. So I'm going to rearrange this so I can actually fit them on. Okay, so now I've got a little more room. I'm just going to tip all this out and see what I got. Loads of things. Loads and, ooh, loads and loads. So this box is the Sweary Queer Dinosaurs box. This is a kind of a pride box, and I super wanted to get this because I am a volunteer for Derby Pride. Me and my fiance both volunteered for it. So all these things, super fun. And anything that's not appropriate for me, then I've got plenty of friends that it would be appropriate for. So anyway, first off we have this postcard here. This dinosaur here. All these have the cute postcard bit on the back. There's this one, again, postcard. There's this cute sticker that's like the Pride Rainbow except in like pastel, which is really pretty. I love that. I love that one. That's so cool. I love the incorporating the flag in there. That's Awesome little badge as well. There's this cute one here. This amazing lanyard. We have to wear lanyards anyway, so now mine's thoroughly upgraded to this funky one, which is amazing. We have this cute badge, enamel pin, so cute, got loads of glitter on it, adorable. Finally, we have this super cute little badge, which I think I will be gifting this one. So cute, and it's like gold. It's got a gold enamel to this one. So pretty. Right, so that is everything. Obviously I did get to this as well, but you have to wait until December for me to open that one. But this is everything I got from Sugar and Sloth. It's a wonderful shop and a great community as well. So I of course will leave links below for everything that is available. Sorry, I'm like sweeping confetti off camera. You can hear random noises. What was I talking about? Yes, I will leave links below for all the items that are still available. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this video and you like haul videos, then I do always put my hauls in one playlist so you can have a look through that. I'm in general though a crafter, scrapbooker. I tend to scrapbook my little boys mostly and do a bit of art journaling, that kind of thing. So if that appeals to you and you've only just found my channel, then please do subscribe. I'd love to have you here. And yes, so have a great day everyone, and watch out for my next video. Bye!